I'm gonna show you how to make your shoes go from this to this. Yo people, my name is Matt Lack. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make an ice box to unyellow your shoes at home. So obviously first thing you need is a box. That's it, no special box. It's got a cardboard box here. Just big enough to fit one pair of shoes in, 2 shoes if you feel it fancy. Second, tape, simple. Some scissors or a craft knife, a Sharpie pen, and then some kitchen foil, tin foil, whatever you want to call this. Need some of that as well to line the box. And then obviously some crepes. I don't know how, but I forgot the most important bit. And that's an LED grow light. Basically just like a UV light, like a black light. That's what's gonna get rid of the oxidation on your shoes. This is the most important thing. Really quick, I'm just gonna unbox the grow light and show you what's inside. So first thing we have is just some clips and some fixings just to hang up the light box. Next, we got the power adapter, standard stuff. And then finally, we have the light itself. When you turn it on, that's a UV light that's gonna whiten the outsole. So, obviously you need your box. First off, most important item. I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use a Sharpie pen. I'm just gonna trace the outline of this on the lid, like that. So I can cut out a hole and then just dangle it above and just shine it in. I think that's the easiest way to do it. I'm just gonna get the Sharpie pen and alright, now that I've traced the outline of that, I'm gonna use my scissors. I'm not gonna use a craft knife. Okay, now the hole has been cut out. Should be a perfect size for the lamp to fit into as well. So yeah, the lamp is gonna sit above that hole and shine in. For the next bit, you wanna get the foil. You need your foil now. Basically, you just wanna line the inside with foil. That's it. Get your tape. Tape up the inside and just cover all the sides, even this top side, with foil. Okay, we've done it. So we're looking like literally just a silver box. So now that the box is built, it wouldn't be right to show you how to make the box and not use a box. So I'm going to be unyellowing these metallic red Jordan 4s. The mesh is pretty yellow, and even the outsole is pretty yellow. So to unyellow it, I'm going to be using this oxidant cream. And pretty much all you do is like bleach, some hair stuff, I don't know. You just coat the yellow areas with this and then get some cling film, cover it so it don't dry up, and then just put it in a box for a couple hours and it should be good. So a quick disclaimer, this doesn't work on the netting for Jordan 4s. I thought it would, but the rubber material just doesn't react to the UV light or the oxidant cream, so you're gonna have to paint over it. I've got another video of the full restoration, so if you want to see what I did, go check that out. So after coating the outsole, I left it in the box for a couple hours just to work its magic. So even looking at the shoes through here, I can immediately tell they are whiter after one session. So I'm just gonna clean these off and then go and look at them. So this is a result of one session. That was about 7 hours long. Of course, it's still a bit rough around the edges, still a bit staining there, right on the bottom. But I'll probably do another session, one session on the outsole.
yeah, I'll just do that and then I'll show you the final result.
So I feel like you must get a gist of what's going on right now. I'm just gonna do the last session off cam. Again, if you want to see the full restoration, check out my other video. Peace.